Okay, so welcome back. This is video number 3, and we're going to talk about how to start your Prezi presentation. And I'm really going to talk specifically about Prezi Next structure, how things are structured in this Prezi Next new type of update, and that way you have a better idea of how things are broken down. So I don't want to jump in straight ahead right now. I want to talk about the structure, and that way you can dive straight in the next video after this. All right, so let's jump in and just take a look at a structure. Okay, so let's jump right in. So the first thing you're going to see is, in this example, I just chose a random template. But typically with Prezi Next, you're going to see these little bubbles, all right? So these little bubbles are basically topics. So the nice thing about Prezi Next is I could switch between this one, and this one. I don't have to go in any order, which is nice. But these are basically topics, all right? So when you click on one of these, we'll click this one here, you'll see these here. And what these are subtopics. So this is a subtopic. So we went from topic as a very general to subtopics. So this right here is a subtopic. So you can add more elements to the subtopic. So if you click subtopic, and there's two topic types, there's planet and stacks. Planet basically allows you to add more circles. So we'll do that now. You can see that this was the fourth circle. So we had 1, 2, and 3, and 4. And of course, you can always stretch it out if you would like. But it always looks professional no matter what. So the thing with classic Prezi was you can go all out, and if you weren't really very creative, it would be hard to make it really look nice and structured. So now you don't have to worry about that. Everything is now very much structured. Now, if I clicked on that little circle that I clicked on just now, and I clicked on subtopic here, and let's add something here. So you can, as you can see, you can add in more subtopics and more subtopics and more. Now we could add Slack topic types like this. And with Slack topic types, as you can see, now it looks like a PowerPoint presentation, but now you can add pages underneath. So think about pages kind of like a PowerPoint slide. So all they are is really just different elements, different ways to kind of showcase what you're trying to teach, what you're trying to present. So just to recap, we've got topics at the top, subtopics below that, and you can do as many subtopics, and then you can also do pages as well. So as long as you understand kind of how that is structured, then getting creative and making your presentation look really nice is actually a breeze. So I just wanted to cover that initially before we actually jumped right in. So now you understand how things are set up.